What you need is a folder full of workflows that actually do the hard stuff, the valuable stuff, the billable stuff. That's what this is. 24 done-for-you n8n workflows that turn your self-hosted install into a fully functioning AI machine. These aren't theory. They're not templates. They're tools. Let me break it down. First, research and content. We've got workflows that turn perplexity responses into entire HTML pages. On autopilot, you can scrape hacker news, summarize it, and turn it into video. You can run deep research agents that use Apify, OpenAI, and n8n to do the thinking for you. This is not search, this is synthesis. Next, let's talk data. Feed your Google Analytics into AI. Get it broken down, summarized, and delivered straight to your email or Telegram. Same with SERPbear. Same with Umami. You can even detect anomalies in your database using Qdran and vector search. It's like having a full data science team built into your workflows. Then there's RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. We've got bots that recommend movies, read GitHub documentation, even walk through tax code, all powered by OpenAI and Mistral with smart memory and citations. And don't worry, it's all plug and play. No need to invent the architecture. It's already done. Now the rest, pure automation gold. Scraping Trustpilot reviews and running sentiment analysis. Reconciling rent payments in Excel. Analyzing trading charts from TradingView. Even building a recipe recommendation system with nothing but AI and n8n. This isn't beginner fluff. This is automation for people who actually want output, who don't want to spend 6 hours building something just to test it once. You want to know how n8n stacks up? Forget Zapier, forget Make, forget Power Automate, Hugin, Apache NiFi, Airflow, Node-RED. None of them come close because none of them come with this. 24 battle-tested workflows, each one a lever, each one a shortcut, each one a system. You're not buying files, you're buying time. You're buying speed. You're buying the power to ship something that actually works today. This is the toolkit I wish I had when I started building with n8n. You can use it if you're self-hosted, if you're running n8n Cloud, if you're in Docker, if you're in the community edition. Doesn't matter. What matters is you have the workflows, because once you do, you're done building from scratch. You're done with blank canvases. You're done Googling how to trigger webhook in n8n. This is the moment your automation game levels up. So if you're ready, let's get to work.